The most common reason portable generators fail to start is fuel related. First, after verifying you got a full tank of fuel, next locate and make sure that the fuel shutoff valve is in the open position. Then pull the choke and try again. After several attempts, if it won't start, you might need some help from some starting fluid. To administer that, just take the cover off the air cleaner and with the choke open, spray some starting fluid into the carburetor, then quickly close the choke and try again. If the engine starts, run briefly and stalls out, repeat that a few times. If it still won't stay running, there's a good chance you got bad fuel. If the fuel's been in there for a year or two, especially if it wasn't treated with fuel stabilizer, it's likely gone bad. If it smells sour and looks dark yellow, you're likely going to have to drain and clean the system. If the engine won't fire at all, even with spray start, it's likely you got no spark. Make sure the engine switch is in the on position. If it still won't go, don't forget to check the oil level. Most generators won't deliver spark if the oil level is low. If all that's been verified, then go to the spark plug itself. Make sure that the spark plug wire connection is good. Still won't go? Remove the spark plug, have a look at it. If it's old, corroded, or badly fouled, try cleaning it or replacing it. If it still won't go, you may need a plan B.